Hi and welcome back to the Sue and Sock Homestay video channel. This video is a little bit of a follow-up to one I made recently about subterranean termite traps that I made. It's basically a roll of cardboard wrapped in cling wrap with some solution of borax and sugar added to it. This attracts the termites and they'll take the borax back to base and that will help eliminate them. If you haven't seen that video yet, please check out the link above or in the description. I'll leave it down there as well. And this will show you a bit more about what I'm talking about and how to make your own termite bait stations. But the main reason that I'm making this video is because I noticed one of them the other day and dug it up, one of the ones that I'd put in the ground recently, and it has been well chewed through. It's been, a lot of activity in there. So I just thought I'd follow up, and I'm also encouraged to try making some more. This bait station was in an area in my backyard that I'd had some potting mix drying in the sun. It was sitting on a sheet of plastic, and I noticed when I pulled the plastic up there was a significant amount of termite activity underneath there. So what I'm going to do, I've got some sheets of card and I'm going to layer these and soak them with my solution and then cover them with plastic and see if they're effective like that as well. I've also got some termite activity in one of our potted plants. It's quite a woody stemmed plant, so I want to make sure that there's something more attractive for the termites that are in there. So I'm going to lay some card that I've treated with the solution in that area as well. But with this first result, I'm very encouraged. I checked the other bait stations that I've put around the property, and there's some notice of activity in them, but certainly not as much as there has been in this one. So I'll leave those ones there a little bit longer and then check back on them from time to time. If I don't see any activity at all, I'll probably pull them up and put them in a different position, or I might just top some of them up with some more solution and put them back in the same area again, because I've put them all in places where I have noticed activity of these subterranean termites in the past, and I really don't like them, and I'm quite keen to eradicate these pests from our garden. I hope you've enjoyed this update. If you have, give us a like and click that subscribe button if you haven't done that yet, so you can stay up to date with the videos when we release new ones. And if you've tried this technique or something similar for subterranean termites, please drop us a comment below and let us know how you got on. Thanks for watching.